Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 12T, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using just the home screen as an example for this. So once your content is open and visible, simply hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll have this pop-up with scroll and send options. After a moment, it just disappears. Now, once it disappears, you can locate it in your gallery application. It will be visible under photos, just like main gallery as the newest one, or you can also navigate into albums where it will be under screenshots and screen something. It can be screen recordings because recordings go into videos. But anyway, as you can see, it's right over here. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.